Are you ready to do more than just keeping projects on track? Are you ready to lead them with purpose and impact? Well, hi, I'm Anthony Johnson with the Anthony Johnson Consultant LLC, and I'm excited to announce that my 2 new project management courses are now available online at ajcprinciples.com. The Principles of Project Management course offers a foundational introduction to discipline of project management, emphasizing real-world application, giving you the essential tools to lead projects with confidence. Then the Strategic Engagement and Project Management course explores how to align project goals with organizational strategy while building strong, lasting connections with stakeholders, from sponsors and teams to end users. Think of it as the human plus strategic glue that makes projects not only succeed, but truly matter. But here's what makes these courses different. Both courses are designed for real-world impact, packed with features including on-demand, anytime, anywhere learning experience, lifetime access to the course content, downloadable template resources for immediate usage, interactive elements that foster an engaging learning experience, module quizzes, and final assessment to test your knowledge and help prepare you for taking the PMP exam, and a certificate of completion to showcase your newly gained knowledge and skills. These courses aren't just about getting through projects. They're about helping transform the way you lead. If you're serious about growing as a project leader, enroll today at ajcprinciples.com. You can also get to these valuable courses through my main site, anthonyjohnsonconsultant.com, by clicking on the courses section. I'd love for you to join me and others invest in your project leadership journey today. Let's show the world exceptional project management in action. And as always, be encouraged, be true to yourself, and be the best you to help others. Thank you.